Today's video, I'm going to try to learn a regular helicoptero. Obviously, I have the wall version right here, like this. I've never done a regular, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to start with a regular cartwheel. I'm going to do the same progression I did, just with a regular cartwheel instead. First scissor. Now I just got to sweep that leg over. Like this. I'm just gonna send it. Oh, kind of close. It's kind of it. Film it from the side to see what I see. I think my problem, I just need to add a little more power how I land it. Nope. That was it. Let's go.